The first thing we note is that this quadratic is such that b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, which means that it has no real roots. However, we can complete the square to write the denominator as follows. Therefore, the integral can be written as x squared over x plus 2 whole squared plus 1. Here, I would suggest to pause the video to think about what the next steps might be. Okay, so we can use the substitution u equals to x plus 2, which means that du by dx equals to 1. Now, plugging everything in, the integral becomes u minus 2 whole squared over u squared plus 1 du. We can expand the numerator and then split the integral term as follows. Now, for this first term, we can rewrite the numerator as u squared plus 1 minus 1. Therefore, the fraction can be written as follows. Now, 1 over u squared plus 1 integrates out to tan inverse of u, so we get u minus tan inverse of u. For the second term, the numerator is simply the derivative of the denominator, so it integrates out to minus 2 natural log of u squared plus 1, and the third term is simply 4 tan inverse of u. Now, combining everything and replacing u with x plus 2, we get the answer x plus 2 plus 3 tan inverse of x plus 2 minus 2 natural log of x plus 2 whole squared plus 1 plus c. A like and subscribe really helps. Thank you.